In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "can't reach this page, took too long to respond" problem. If you're seeing this message in Chrome, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a temporary browser problem, a weak internet connection, or stored browsing data that needs to be cleared. I'll walk you through a few simple things you can do to fix it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This is where you'll find many of Chrome's main options and settings. Before changing anything, make sure your internet connection is stable. This is an important step because if your connection is slow, disconnected, or unstable, websites may take too long to load and Chrome may show this error. You can quickly check whether other websites are loading properly, or make sure your Wi-Fi or network connection is working as expected. If your internet is unstable, try waiting a moment for it to recover before continuing. You also need to restart Chrome and your computer. Restarting Chrome can clear temporary browser glitches, and restarting your computer can refresh your network connection and system processes. This simple step often fixes issues that seem more complicated than they really are. After restarting both Chrome and your computer, try opening the page again to see if the problem is gone. If you're still having the same problem, the next thing to do is clear your browsing data in Chrome. To begin, open Chrome again and click the three dots in the top right corner. From there, click Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. Inside that section, click Clear Browsing Data. This will open a window where Chrome lets you remove stored information such as cache and other browsing data. Sometimes this saved data becomes outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent websites from loading correctly. Go ahead and click Delete to remove the browsing data. After the data has been cleared, close Chrome, open it again, and then try visiting the page one more time. In many cases, this resolves the "took too long to respond" error and allows websites to load normally again. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have a much better chance of fixing the issue quickly and getting back online without interruption.